Imagine you are lying in bed after being bitten by 100 bedbugs. So you are shivering with chill, your muscles ache, you drink water and start sweating. And you keep turning restlessly because the bed feels like stone. So that's the exact picture of our today's remedy. So welcome to the part 7 of Rare Remedy Tuesday. Meet Cimex lectularius, made from bedbug. So it's very easy to remember in the way of mnemonic, that is Cimex. Where C for chill and chatter. So there will be violent chill with trembling, shivering and chattering teeth. With thirst during chill like malaria. Then M for motion makes miserable. Every joint feels like sore and bluish, which is worse by motion, yet they can't stay still. Then A stands for after water sweat appears. So there is very unique keynote that sweat comes only after drinking water. Then X for extremely restless, they can't stay still, feels the bed too hard and restless like a bedbug bite. So next time when you get patients, bitten, chilled, sleepless, remember the medicine Cimex. See you next Tuesday with another remedy. Thank you.